Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Family Nutrition Program, and I'm back again today with the easiest recipe for you and your family to make, freezer fruit drops. I know you may have seen them at the grocery store in the baby aisle, and we're going to make our own. So you could do any of those pre-packaged fruit sauces, whether it's an applesauce blend that I have here, a strawberry fruit blend, and then I've got banana blueberry, apple pear peach, apple mango strawberry. The sky's the limit. They even have some yogurt blends too. So all you're going to do is take your fruit mix, and I have a parchment paper lined cookie sheet, and you are going to put a drop of it on your cookie sheet. So I did 4 of our strawberry patch ones, and then let's do banana blueberry. And once you do these, we're just going to pop them in the freezer, and then you could take them off the cookie sheet and put them in a Ziploc bag and munch on them all week. Apple, mango, strawberry. That sounds good. You could have a taste test to see which ones are the most popular. Apple, pear, peach. This would be great to take on a trip. I'll go ahead and just do another row of these. And now we're gonna go stick these in the freezer until they set up and give them a try. I just took our freezer fruit drops out of the freezer, and they've been in there overnight, and they very easily just come right off our parchment paper, and they're gonna make a great frosty treat on a hot summer day. These freezer fruit drops would be a really healthy alternative to a popsicle, and it's just a fun grab and go snack that you could keep in the freezer, and it's just a fun treat. Thanks for joining us, and come back again soon.